Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the types of ceramic restorations in dentistry and their fabrication. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's Types of ceramic restorations. Ceramic restorations are of following types. Number 1, all ceramic jacket crown. Number 2, metal ceramic crown. Number 3, castable glass ceramic crown. Steps involved in fabrication of an all porcelain crown. Number 1, making a die. Porcelain jacket crown is constructed on a die of the prepared tooth. The die can be made from electroplated die, silicophosphate die, epoxy resin die. The die is covered with a platinum foil matrix of 0.02 mm thickness. The platinum foil separates the porcelain paste from the die and provides a base for the crown to be transported to the furnace. Point number 2, condensation. A porcelain jacket crown is made from a number of porcelain powders and is built up layer by layer. The porcelain powders are first mixed with water or alcohol to form a paste. The powder particles are of different sizes and distributes to produce a tensile packed paste to lower shrinkage and reduce frost. Point A. The first layer to be applied to the platinum matrix is of opaque porcelain to make the color of underlying structures or cement. Point B. The second layer is made up of body of dentine porcelain. It forms the bulk of the crown and contains greater amount of pigments. Point C. Named porcelain forms the surface of layer. It provides translucency and tooth-like appearance to the porcelain crown. Each layer of paste of porcelain is thoroughly condensed and vibrated to bring water to the surface. The water is absorbed with blotting paper or cloth. Vibration also removes air bubbles from the paste and condense the particles to close together. The shaped crown on platinum matrix is now transported to a furnace for baking or firing. Viewers, below the picture you can see the method of mixing porcelain with water or alcohol. Point number 3, firing or baking. The purpose of firing is simply to fuse the particles of powder together to form a restoration. The thermochemical reaction between the ingredients were completed during firing process. The porcelain furnace has a platinum wire winding to withstand high fusion temperature of porcelain baking. Method of porcelain baking. First, the furnace is preheated at 150 degrees Celsius temperature. Point number 2, the porcelain crown is placed in front of the door of the furnace and preheated 5 minutes. Point number 3. This allows dissipation of water vapors without making steam. Steam would cause the powder compact to crack. Next, the porcelain crown is placed in furnace on a mica tray and temperature is gradually raised to fusion temperature. At fusion temperature, the following changes are seen. First stage or low biscuit stage. Flux and binders flow into spaces and voids. The porcelain shows shrinkage as the powder particles sinter together. This is called low biscuit stage. Second stage or medium biscuit stage. There is completely flow of fluxes and fusion of the porcelain particles. There is massive shrinkage. This is called medium biscuit stage. Third stage or high biscuit stage. The mass now coheres completely but is opaque and no shrinkage is seen. This is called high biscuit stage. Cooling of porcelain prosthesis is a complex matter, particularly when it is fused with metal. The baked porcelain is gradually cooled to room temperature. Rapid cooling will cause crack and loss of strength because porcelain is a poor conductor of heat. Point number 4. Glaze. Glaze makes the porcelain stronger and decreases crack propagation. Surface of porcelain crown is made smooth and translucency by following methods. Point A. Apply low fusion glasses to the surface. Fusion temperature of glaze is decreased by addition of glass modifiers. Heat to their fusion temperature and maintain the temperature for 5 minutes. Point B. Self-glaze. The baked porcelain crown is heated to fusion temperature in 10 to 15 minutes so that the surface starts flowing. It is held this temperature for 5 minutes and then is cooled to room temperature. Surface of crown becomes glaze. Self-glaze is more stable. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.